doesn't matter if you see there's demonetization, you say next. Face this one, you say next. It's all about it, right? There's a whole lot of things you can see in this wonderful, beautiful universe. So I really want to become a big welcome back to my channel. I'm Aldrich. Thank you for watching my video. Right. Early morning here. People around traveling. Awesome. I've watched a couple of YouTube videos of my followers, you out there, YouTubers are new to the YouTube, right? They like for example, if you see demonetization of your account on YouTube, right? And you feel disheartened or you feel like upset and you don't want to continue. You don't want to continue, right, on YouTube, right, keep uploading, making videos. I know, right, demonetization makes you, because the main idea why most 99% of you come to YouTube is to having that payment out of the advertisement on your YouTube channel once you reach certain criteria like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? So you've been disheartened lately. YouTube, yes, I know they've been, Google especially, they've been demonetizing. There's a lot of rules and sets, which is, I assume it came from the AI algorithm, which they had been working on in a line to assist them in their work on the YouTube platform and the Google platform, Google advertisement platform. So that AI, that tool, right? So algorithm AI is made out of human, they make mistakes, right? But anyway, demonetization that makes you disheartened, right? So Google might have demonetized you, right? Suspend your ads account and so on, right? But be grateful that you're still on YouTube, right? That's why when you first starting on YouTube, while I'm starting in YouTube, was suggested by my friends, right? Find something that you're passionate about. And find something that is fun to do. Then you make a video out of it and share it to the world, right? There must be something that you want to share with the world, right? Three type of people, right? One healer, one vampire, one gamer. So which one do you want to be? So you choose, right? Doesn't matter if you see there's demonetization, you say next. Face this one, you say next. It's all about it, right? There's a whole lot of things you can see in this wonderful, beautiful universe. But make sure you choose something that you're passionate about, so you won't feel disheartened of anything, right? Right, no comments. Every day you're looking for comments from people you're looking for people recognition. So that's one thing that you should avoid. Right, that's one thing you should avoid, people recognition. Comments. Means if there's no comments, my YouTube is not something. Right? Don't focus on that. Focus on what you want to do. Right? Find something passionate that you want to share to the world. Right? Either you want to become a vampire, you can dance all day and make something, jokes or something, or you can become a healer. You motivate people, or you have some solution to talk about something, right? And or you can become a giver. Giver is something that you want to share about, passionate about. What are you passionate about and you want to share to the world, right? So choose that first, right? If you started a YouTube channel, you can try to find something that you're passionate about. So these thinking about monetization, you're upset, you want to give up doing YouTube or any social media in that matter, right? TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, what else? Facebook or anything. Right? Social media and YouTube channel, there are millions of ways, right? Millions of ways. It's a tool, right? Basically, it's a tool. So monetization is only a tiny bit of the story. So find something that you're passionate about. Don't feel disheartened, right? Keep continuing uploading videos, but make sure you find something that you're passionate about, right? Okay. Right, so I hope this video helps, right? If you're new to my channel, to new YouTubers, do subscribe to my channel down there, right? There's a subscribe button and smash that notification bell for me, right? There's a couple of links below, right? So affiliate links or whatever links that I posted below, right? So it might help in giving me some commissions on that affiliate, right? But this is my YouTube channel, right? I'm Azzy Rich, Mo Rich channel, right? If you're notified, if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be notified on my next video. Ciao.